This will be the elevator here at
Oh, I'm going along for this ride.
It's called Starline.
Starline. Here in Hartford, Illinois.
Starline Market.
There we go. How many floors we got?
It's KONE.
Hold on. I know. Big time.
Look at that. Ooh, P-door. This is Starline Factory.
My fear of these things is that I don't recognize it.
Oh, I know. I was thinking about that on the way over. I was thinking that on the way over. What kind of elevator is this?
It's KONE. Let's go to 3R.
Oh, man. Went took Charlie down to Indy today for a golf lesson.
Really good all over the place.
Next week's gonna be wild. Go to, I fly to New York City on Tuesday, come back Thursday, come home, trade suitcases, grab George, we drive to Knoxville for the Westminster Classic. Yeah. Oh man, take this.
Oh, wow. Let's go off here. Ooh, look at that over there. There's a freight elevator over there. Wow. You know what I think this used to be? This probably used to be the roof.
Oh, really?
Because oh wow, look at that. Let's see the freight elevator. I was just wanting to see this. So yeah, there's the machine room on top of there. Whoa, look at this.
Oh, man.
Montgomery.
Oh yes. You have to hold it the whole time.
Yeah.
You want me to open this?
I think it should be open.
Does it open on its own? You gotta pull it up.
Oh wow. Whoa.
You wanna ride it, Jay?
Yeah. This is really old.
Is there a light? There's a
I
light
think there should be a
bulb.
light switch.
Where's the light switch? Right here? Light. I don't know.
I think we should probably check out downstairs first.
Yeah.
Before we ride this thing.
Yeah. Look at this.
I hate to get stuck on here. It's for
Montgomery.
free only.
This is a really old Montgomery.
No light's got a...
This is really old from like, I don't know, this is from like
People
1920s.
I know, me too. But that'd be great if we took this down and
Yeah.
opened it up right into the venue.
That's really old.
We'll ride it later, maybe.
Yeah.
Dang.
We'll check it out downstairs and see where it comes in downstairs.
Yeah. That's really old from the 1920s.
Is it from the 20s?
Yeah.
You wanna ride it later?
We'll have to write it later. They're just doing a lot of work up here, you see.
Yeah.
I honestly think this used to be the roof and then they kind of added this.
I think this is an old elevator shaft right here.
Yeah, there used to be like 2 freight cars here. Yeah, this probably was an old elevator shaft. Yeah. But you got this KONE over here.
Good.
Go
If I
ahead.
hit it, or you want
Go ahead and push it.
Nice.
I think we want 1.
What's in the second floor? Chapel.
There's a directory there. This is a really cool building. It's a nice elevator. This is a KONE. They probably installed this when they did this building.
All right.
There goes the elevator. Look at that.
Is there like
I
a...
really like this.
I don't know.
Old.
What are you looking at, Jay?
Look at these really old, like,
Oh, these old machines? I think this is what they used to make up here.
Really? These switches.
Wow.
Good stuff.
This is really.
This is Starline.
Look at this really cool stuff. Look at that. Anyway, I guess
All right.
that is gonna be it for me.